If you're looking for a reliable remote desktop solution, you've probably heard of RustDesk, Parsec, and TeamViewer. But which one is actually the best for your needs? In this video, we'll break down the strengths, weaknesses, and ideal use cases for each, so you can make an informed decision. Let's start with RustDesk. RustDesk is an open-source remote desktop solution that's completely free and allows you to self-host your connections. It's lightweight, uses minimal system resources, and gives you full control over your data. RustDesk is perfect if you value privacy, want to avoid subscription costs, or need a straightforward remote access tool for personal or small business use. The main limitation is that it doesn't have as many advanced features as some commercial tools, and self-hosting may require a bit of technical know-how. Next is Parsec, which is a different kind of remote access tool. Parsec focuses on ultra-low latency and high responsiveness, making it ideal for gaming, video editing, and creative work where real-time interaction matters. It's cross-platform and delivers smooth streaming, but it's less focused on file transfer, IT support, or business features. So if your main priority is speed and performance rather than multi-user management, Parsec is a strong choice. Finally, we have TeamViewer, one of the most popular and feature-rich remote desktop solutions out there. It supports almost every platform, offers file transfer, multi-monitor support, remote printing, and a polished experience for professional or business use. The downside is that the free version has limits, and commercial licenses can get expensive. TeamViewer is best for IT support, remote maintenance, and business environments where reliability and advanced features matter. So which one should you choose? If you need free, self-hosted, and flexible remote access, RustDesk is the way to go. For high-performance tasks like gaming or creative collaboration, Parsec shines. And if you want a professional, full-featured solution for business or IT support, TeamViewer is hard to beat. If you found this comparison helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and thanks for watching.